Today we are going to see about the project on the topic from social group utility maximization to personalized location privacy in mobile networks. And this is the basic structure for the uh, project. And now we are spotting out like a physical domain, physical relationship, social domain, social relationship, all are the different layers. Now let's we implement this in our projects. Let's see how to do this now. Okay, our project title is I'm sorry, the project name is location privacy. It is stored like this. Let's see. Project is loading. Yeah, here is the title from social group utility maximization to personalized location privacy in mobile networks. Yeah. So basically in this app we are going to see three users. End user, that is user. First is end user and second is LBS provider. LBS provider in the sense location based service provider, and third one is location provider. The difference between location based service provider and location provider is location based LBS provider is an admin, act as an admin. Location provider uploads the location, such as if location provider is in any shop owner or something like malls, they can upload their locations. First we see what are the things there in user. Okay, yeah, if you want to do anything with the user login means you have to log in. Before that you have to register with yourself. This is the registration page, and you register with your name, your ally's name, which is very important because this is the main concept of the project. And password, give something like Swish. The location is Chennai. You register whatever you want, and now it's registered. You will log in into the name which we given. Suresh is the registration and Suresh is the login. Yeah, it's registered. Before that, basically I will go into another option. Say Gokul. This is the another login. Okay, now check. Let's check now. Okay, there are six options in this user ID: social group, location service, graph, ratings, architecture, and logon. First we see architecture. Architecture is nothing but the paper architecture which we given. And yeah, now social group means there are a lot of things there in social group. Say your friends list is here. Actually if you want to add any friend means you can add here. You have to enter mobile number. You just can't enter something like this because it haven't, yeah, it shows that original correct friend. So we have to enter valid number, and by adding that you can see these are the things you will see. The chat is going on, and now I'm asking something. it's added, right? Now this is Muhammad, the name is Muhammad. Let's see about that. Before that we will see something. See, we requested this friend, but he yet to accept. So if you try to send the message without accepting friend request, you can't. Okay, these are the friends. And location service means it is shows in map, whatever the categories, whatever the things are there, it is shown here. Food means you will go and search foods. I mentioned that only the registered in this app, not all the food restaurant or something, only the registered with this app shops are shown here, not every shops. Okay, now let's see what's the rating. App rating, there are 5 things: app rating, food rating, coffee rating, and fun rating, and shopping rating. App rating in the sense you will rate your app, I mean the whole app, whatever you want. It's nice. And submit. So successfully inserted. And again you want to rate means you can press that, and say example I have to shopping, I want to rate the app shopping, and you can choose the things you want. Say example I want to rate Phoenix Market City, and things are same. It's already inserted. Okay, now you have rated. That rating will be shown in the graph. This graph is pie chart. You can have a flexibility of rotating this, and if you wanted to highlight means you will see the highlight. See, it's getting bigger when you touch whatever the things you want. So this is all about user side. Now let's log out, and so these are about users. Next, LBS provider. LBS provider is an admin. Same thing, you have a registration. Yeah, you have registered. So there are many locations here, many things are often here. Say example, block locations, view users location providers, graphs, view rating, and logout. Block locations means if you want to block any locations, or if you want to hide anything from user, in the sense you have to block by using this option. Say example, if you go into that, and whatever the things you have, fun or something, shopping, say example, here I'm hot chips which restaurant, here I'm blocking this. Yes, once a block means it is blocked. Now it shows the options as activate. If you want activate, you can activate from here. And users location, I told you to give allies name to users on, because admin can see any kind of users and names visited in this app. So we using the allies names. See example, goats, now, and whatever the name they given. Okay, with the address, see, address and latitude. And location providers in the sense, the third user I told you, right? And fourth one is graphs. You can see bar graph, okay, this is a graph. You can extend, zoom it, and you can elaborate however you want, and this gives you the meaningful rating things. See, the graph is based on the rating by the user. Okay. Now view ratings. Let's see the ratings. Any ratings or good or something, anything. Okay, and now let's log out from here. And location provider, the third user, same thing, you have to register, means we will register. There are only 4 options here: add location, view location, locations in map, and logout. Add location means you have to add the location. Now we add the location. Since this is our current location, so we are going to give something like CS. No need any special characters. CGO complex, and give shop type like shopping complex. Okay, now it's a shopping complex, so we will give add. Yeah, now added. Now let's check about this. View locations. Here we spot the location. See, CGO location, shopping complex, Vardhapan Street and Vivekanandapuram, everything is there. And we see it in map. Okay, here they are. This much locations have registered in our app. And cinemas, you can find different kind of colors for different if it is restaurants, it is food types, it comes in red. Perhaps if you want to go fun, it comes like this in blue color. If it is in shopping complex or shopping malls, it is black. And it's coffee shop or coffee things is in purple color. So these are the things you have to mention. Thank you.